Is God's judgment the end of hope or the beginning of a new promise? In Genesis 6, humanity had grown wicked. Every inclination of the thoughts of the human heart was only evil all the time. God was grieved and decided to cleanse the earth with a great flood. But one man found favor, Noah, a righteous man in his generation. God told him, "Build an ark, a great flood is coming." Noah obeyed. He built a massive ark, 300 cubits long, as God instructed. He brought aboard his wife, his 3 sons, and their wives, plus 2 of every kind of animal, and 7 pairs of the clean ones. When the ark was ready, the rains came. For 40 days and 40 nights the heavens opened. The waters rose above every mountain. All life outside the ark perished. But Noah, his family, and the animals were safe. After 150 days, the waters began to recede. The ark came to rest on Mount Ararat. Noah sent out a raven, then a dove. The second time, the dove returned with an olive leaf, a sign of new life. When the land dried, God told Noah to leave the ark. Noah built an altar and worshiped the Lord. Then God made a covenant. "Never again will I destroy all life with a flood." And he set a rainbow in the sky as the sign of his promise, a reminder of mercy even after judgment. The flood wasn't just destruction, it was renewal. God saved Noah to show us. Those who walk with him, even in a broken world, will be protected and renewed.